Visit us on onestepenglish.com. Idioms. All kinds of emotions. Let's learn English. Today, we will learn more examples of idioms, particularly about emotions.
On edge.
It means you're that feeling anxious.
For example,
I am on edge right now.
On top of the world.
It means that you are happy.
For example,
I feel like I'm on top of the world. Lose your cool.
It means you are visibly angry.
For example, as a parent, it's important to never lose your cool.
Shaking like a leaf.
It means you're feeling scared.
For example, Bree was shaking like a leaf when we watched a horror movie last night.
Wake up on the wrong side of the bed.
It means you are in a bad mood.
For example,
Donna doesn't wanna talk to me. I think she woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Makes your day.
Something has made you happy.
For example,
You just made my day.
Hang your head.
It means that you look ashamed.
For example, the team hang their heads after they lost.
In the zone.
It means that you are in total focus.
For example,
Listening to music helps me to get in the zone to study.
Keep a straight face.
It means that you are not smiling or laughing.
For example, Jenna couldn't keep a straight face when I heard his joke.
In stitches.
It means to laugh a lot.
For example, we were all in stitches after Josh slipped on the floor. Let's practice your English.
Practice number 1.
Ready your pencil and paper.
R.
You.
Ready.
Choose the correct meaning of each idioms. On edge means.
Letter A. That you feel anxious.
Letter B. That you feel scared.
Letter C. That you're in a bad mood.
The correct answer is letter A. On edge means that you feel anxious. on top of the world means?
Letter A. That you feel anxious.
Letter B. That you are happy.
Letter C. That you look ashamed.
The correct answer is letter B. On top of the world means that you are happy. Loser cool means?
Letter A. That you are in total focus.
Letter B. That you feel scared.
Letter C. You are visibly angry.
The correct answer is letter C. Loser cool means you are visibly angry. Shaking like a leaf means?
Letter A. To laugh a lot.
Letter B. That you feel scared.
Letter C. That you're in a bad mood.
The correct answer is letter B. Shaking like a leaf means that you feel scared. Waking up on the wrong side of the bed means?
Letter A. That you look ashamed.
Letter B. That you're in a bad mood.
Letter C. Something has made you happy.
The correct answer is letter B. Waking up on the wrong side of the bed means that you're in a bad mood. Make your day means?
Letter A. Something has made you happy.
Letter B. That you feel scared.
Letter C. You are visibly angry.
The correct answer is letter A. Make your day means something has made you happy. Hang your head means?
Letter A. That you are happy.
Letter B. That you feel anxious.
Letter C. That you look ashamed.
The correct answer is letter C. Hanging your head means that you look ashamed. In the zone means?
Letter A. That you are in total focus.
Letter B. That you are not smiling or laughing.
Letter C. That you're in a bad mood.
The correct answer is letter A. In the zone means that you are in total focus. Keep a straight face means?
Letter A. That you feel anxious.
Letter B. That you are in total focus.
Letter C. That you are not smiling or laughing.
The correct answer is letter C. Keep a straight face means that you are not smiling or laughing. In stitches means
Letter A. That you are happy.
Letter B. That you feel scared.
Letter C. To laugh a lot.
The correct answer is letter C. In stitches means to laugh a lot.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Visit us on onestepenglish.com.